Right, this question asks which of the following are non-contact forces. Now, non-contact forces means that the force can exert on an object even without any contact with it, without touching it. So electrostatic force is a non-contact force because you can have a positive charge, you can have a negative charge, not touching one another, and yet they can be attracted to one another. You can see that when you comb your hair and we bring your comb very near to your hair without touching your hair gets attracted to the comb. Gravitational force is also a non-contact force because if the earth is here and even if an object is not touching the earth and you let go of an object at a certain height, you know that the earth will still pull it down even though it's not touching the earth. Magnetic force is non-contact because for magnetic force you can have a north pole, maybe another north pole, right? So not touching, but once you let go of the two magnets, they are going to repel each other. But for frictional force definitely it is a contact force because friction can only act between two surfaces. So if they are not touching, there will not be friction. So if you move an object to the right, the friction will act to the left. And where will the friction be acting? It will be acting between the surfaces. So, so frictional force is a contact force. So for non-contact, it will be this B.